Steel groans into power when Detroit Wrecker's low loader tilts, offering the lowest load angle of any rollback carrier in the industry. Built in Detroit, Michigan, this carrier comes in deck lengths of 18, 19, or 21 feet, with widths of 96 or 102 inches. Its Ramsey 8,000-pound worm gear winch, dual lighted control stations, and load angles adjustable from 3 to 40 degrees make it a precision tool for professional towing, and the rhythm of its price lands heavy yet proud at $75,000. A tailgate folds, and suddenly space expands. The fold-down bed. Extender transforms 5 inches of hidden aluminum into over 10 square feet of usable cargo. Telescoping to fit nearly any pickup, it mounts directly to the tailgate with stainless steel hardware, disappearing neatly when folded up. Weighing only 17 pounds, it resists corrosion with anodized or powder-coated finishes, and removes easily with 2 release pins. Its presence is subtle, but the truth of its value is spoken clearly in the cadence of $229. Curved like a safeguard against rocky launches, the Boondock's classic T-bone truck bed extender adds up to 4 feet of reach for kayaks, canoes, or lumber. Aircraft-grade aluminum keeps it light at 16 pounds, yet strong enough to hold 300 pounds. Compatible with all standard hitches, its design prevents hull damage while offering a stable point to secure long loads. And when the journey ends, the number that closes the story is $238. Rain slides off in silence as Rough Country's retractable bed cover locks down your cargo with a flush, low-profile design. Its rigid aluminum panels are wrapped in weather-resistant vinyl, giving both strength and sleekness while maintaining full rear visibility. Powder-coated in matte black, it resists corrosion and integrates seamlessly with truck bed rails for uncompromised protection. The number that seals its promise is $1,099. A back-braking lift becomes a smooth glide when the lift and slide cart raises cargo straight into your truck. Designed in Portland, Oregon, this battery-powered scissor mechanism handles more than 400 pounds, sliding loads effortlessly into pickup beds, SUVs, or vans. Its telescoping frame adapts to different vehicles, eliminating the awkward transfer between cart and truck. The Inventions journey from teenage vision to working reality now carries a price of $1,199. Steel giants hum quietly when pantographs rise to meet overhead wires, drawing direct current for motion and charging. Germany's e-highway trials equip trucks with roof-mounted connectors that iron on to dual contact lines, delivering electricity while driving at highway speeds. Developed with Siemens Mobility and supported by the Federal Ministry for Economic Affairs and Climate Action, the system reduces diesel reliance and cuts emissions in freight corridors. With pilot costs measured in millions of euros, 6 movements, 1 revolution. The GMC MultiPro Tailgate reshapes how a truck bed serves its driver. Available on Sierra and heavy-duty trims, it folds into 6 positions: primary gate, load stop, second-tier loading, workstation, easy access, and step entry. Its design integrates seamlessly with GMC's professional-grade trucks, balancing durability with versatility for cargo management. The rhythm of innovation lands with a closing note at $495. Curves conquer gravity when the hybrid S-curve ramp bends into a smooth path for wheels and weight. Measuring 12 inches wide and 90 inches long, it folds neatly for storage, yet supports up to 750 pounds. Polymer and aluminum construction resist rust, while aggressive tread and safety straps lock loads in place. The cadence of utility resolves in a figure spoken clearly as $189. Steel frames rise like guardians behind the cab, and the channel headache rack shields both driver and cargo. Built from commercial-grade aluminum, its extruded frame maximizes rear visibility while integrated channels hide wiring and mount lights. Designed to fit mid- and full-size pickups, it blends protection with adaptability for work or travel. The final beat of resilience echoes in the number $355. Two wheels rise behind the rig like guardians, the dual spare tire rack system engineered for punishing off-road endurance. Built to hold tires up to 37 inches in diameter, it mounts securely to a standard 2-inch hitch receiver with ADR-certified construction. Strut-assisted swing arms and optional jerry can brackets transform it into a modular cargo solution for long expeditions. The weight of resilience closes in a figure spoken firmly as $2,700. A tailgate drops, and suddenly climbing feels effortless. The Traxxian tailgate ladder folds down to meet your step. Designed for pickups with tailgate heights of 28 inches or more, it bolts directly to the gate and supports up to 300 pounds. Powder-coated steel resists wear, while its quick-deploy design reduces strain and secures neatly against the tailgate when not in use. The cadence of utility resolves in the clear note of $60. Canvas becomes sanctuary when the Yakima Skyrise HD tent unfolds atop your vehicle, turning steel into shelter. Crafted from 600 denier ripstop polyester with a 3000mm waterproof PU coating, it shields against rain while offering panoramic views through oversized windows. Inside, a thick wall-to-wall foam sleeping pad ensures comfort, while the ladder-covered rainfly keeps entry dry. The journey's closing beat is a price that speaks softly yet firmly at $2,899. A door swings open, and steel arms glide down. Rough country electric running boards transform entry into effortless motion. Dual electric motors drive each step, deploying instantly with LED illumination and retracting flush for a seamless profile. Built from heavy-duty aluminum with an anti-slip surface, they support secure footing while resisting corrosion and wear. The final beat of precision lands in a figure spoken firmly as $1,299. A truck bed becomes fortress when the Extang Solid Fold 2.0 locks into place, shielding cargo from rain, dust, and prying eyes. Its 1-inch thick EnduraShield polymer panels resist dents, scratches, and UV fading, while a heavy-duty aluminum frame supports evenly distributed loads up to 600 pounds. Proprietary max hinges reinforce pivot points, and the patented L-channel design ensures a watertight seal even with toolboxes. It costs $839.